You're statistically unlikely to be hit directly by lightning, but the ground current traveling through your legs accounts for over 50% of all fatalities.
Most hikers fear the direct strike, but that accounts for only 3 to 5% of injuries. To survive the backcountry, we must understand the system failures caused by ground current and the mechanics of dielectric breakdown in the atmosphere.
A cumulonimbus cloud acts as a massive capacitor. Ice crystals collide, separating charges, positives to the anvil, negatives to the base. When the voltage potential exceeds the air's insulation limit, a stepped leader descends in 50-meter jumps.
When that leader connects with a positive streamer from the ground, the return stroke travels upward at 1/3 the speed of light. This superheats the air to 30,000 Kelvin, creating the shock wave we hear as thunder. But the danger zone isn't just the strike point.
The strike injects massive current into the earth, creating radio voltage rings. This is step voltage. If your feet are separated, you bridge two different voltage potentials, and your body becomes the path of least resistance for equalization.
This formula dictates your survival posture. Current enters one foot, travels up the leg, crosses the heart, and exits the other foot. Keeping feet strictly together creates an equipotential zone, theoretically bypassing vital organs. To gauge proximity, we use the speed of sound, 343 meters per second. The 30-30 rule is the industry standard. If the flash to bang count is under 30 seconds, the strike is within 10 kilometers. You are already inside the lethal radius.
Terrain selection is critical. Old manuals suggest a cone of protection, but modern engineering uses the rolling sphere method. Imagine a 45-meter sphere rolling over the landscape. Anywhere it touches is a potential strike point. Depressions are your only shield.
Let's address the gear myths. Trekking poles and titanium frames do not attract lightning. The leader has just jumped 3 kilometers of air gap. Your 130-centimeter pole is negligible. However, metal acts as a superconductor for contact burns if you are hit.
For bikepackers, the rubber tires insulate you theory is dangerous nonsense. At 300 million volts, 2 inches of rubber is irrelevant. A bike frame is not a Faraday cage because it doesn't enclose you. Being mounted simply increases your effective height.
The lightning crouch, squatting on the balls of your feet, is a desperation tactic. While it mechanically reduces step voltage, field data suggests it offers minimal statistical survival benefit compared to simply descending to lower terrain earlier.
The secondary killer is hypothermia. Lightning storms bring rapid temperature drops. If you ditch your pack to escape a ridge, you lose your thermal layers and caloric density. You are trading electrical risk for physiological collapse. Keep your gear with you.
Ultimately, lightning safety is a system of avoidance. If you see vertical cloud development by 11 a.m., the thermodynamics are against you. Scrub the summit. The energy density of a developing cell outweighs any schedule pressure.
Respect the physics, manage the terrain, and descend early.